Nandipha will be spending Christmas yakhe yi-3 behind bars this year. Hello guys, sanibonani and welcome back to my channel. Nandipha uvelile e-court mhla 5. Makavela e-court kucale kwaba nema-delay because kuthiwa i-transport bekumele imthathe la khona ukuthi ayele e-Free State, bathiwa court ayokhuluma khona i-delayile kumthatha and i-team yakhe bameli bakhe badimanda ama-answers ukuthi why alanjwe late, why angathathwa yabo nje lezi kunama-complain ku-case yalaba. So asathi ukuthi bathi uma sebabanikile leyo report bathi bese sebayendani, but lesi watiko ukuthi uto-spenda lenye Christmas yakhe behind bars. Yo kuningi guys, cause uma uthi uyambuka kwasayena it's like it's giving sowumukelile ukuthi sowulapha because nangoke umuntu sowuhaga wonke lo muntu. And another thing, abantu sebaphumile kule case le sebathiniwe cause uma ungabuka kahle beku-empty Tole Court, bathiniwe bantu sebamuvele ku next wathi mgulukudu sebakulenye indzawo and siyabeva abantu, angithi vele angeke size sike cabange ngalokufana nawo. Some are saying yeah she deserves a second chance. Uyideserve kanjani i-second chance ne-trial esengaqali simuva khuluma ukuthi kahle kahle la kwendiweni la yini lelede yini ukuthi agcine afike la akhona khona. So maybe if we can wait for lo 18 September wa next year sive kuthi ngalawo September i-trial yakhe uma iqala utobe acula GPT ingoma itobe ithini i-tune yakhe kade abayiphethe. Ngoba la uma Sipho sethini ukhalela abantu bakhe, sikhuluma ngalabantwana bona labo labashiya le esikoleni bangakalanzwa wahamba naThabo. Sikhuluma ngalabantwana laba expose kumuntu lofana naThabo, bantwana laba abayekela baspend isikhathi naThabo. So guys, yabo ukuthi kuningi nje lokwenzakalayo. Indzaba yakhe ayikhulumeki, yes iyakhulumeka mara if ufuna kuyingena deep uvele ubone ukuthi liningi izinto lekumele silicabange before sisho. So yeah guys, i-trial yakhe itoqala mhlaka 20 July to 18 September 2026. So siyabona ukuthi hayi this case sizatobukana nayo, ayiyi indawo ila to stay, ayiyi indzawo shem, akukho nje as a country, hayi singenelwe ngamande endlini. Guys, please like, comment and subscribe. Ngibona ku video elandelayo. Bye.